Welcome to the 5X Coaching Academy, where you will learn everything about making easy, passive income online. My name is Oscar. I'm a full-time nurse in California, and I love side hustles. If you're interested in creating multiple streams of income, then this is the perfect channel for you, so please subscribe below. Let's get started. In today's video, you are going to get a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make $1,000 to $5,000 per month as a complete beginner. This is going to be a full tutorial, so make sure you can watch it all the way through. We're going to be using Target, and I'm going to be showing you how you can make a ton of money from Target. Let me show you one example of how someone is making a ton of money through Target. Deal Guy, for example. 10 shopping secrets Target doesn't want you to know. He has over 423,000 views on this particular video. He has over 1.5 million subs. Okay, here is his affiliate link, and he's making more money through his affiliate link than he is from these YouTube views. Okay, let me explain what affiliate marketing is. Merchant has a product or service to sell. So right now, the merchant is Target. They have a product to sell. They want people to go to their website and buy products. You are an affiliate, okay? For example, the Deal Guy is the affiliate. Affiliate puts links or ads on their website. You can put your affiliate links through YouTube, Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Quora. Honestly, anywhere where you can put a link, that is your referral link. Whenever a customer clicks on your link or ad and someone buys something, your transactions are tracked. So Target is going to track your transactions, and Target will pay you a commission whenever someone buys anything from your affiliate links. The Deal Guy, for example, he has tons of videos promoting tons of different products. If you click on his link, it's going to take you to Target, where you can buy anything from Target, and he's going to be making commissions on everything that you purchase. Insane. Okay? He doesn't work for Target. He only makes videos for different types of deals online. He promotes tons of different products, and he's making a ton of money through AdSense and through affiliate marketing. Later on in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can get started with affiliate marketing with a small YouTube channel and still pull in more than $5,000 per month as a complete beginner. First of all, let's go look at Target and what they offer. Target offers tons of different products, from college stuff, clothes, toys, video games, regular home supplies, home deals, patio deals, clothing deals, and much more. Okay, if you look at the Target affiliate program, all you gotta do is earn up to 8% when people buy. Okay, all you gotta do is the Target affiliate program is a great way to bring visitors to your site and earn a competitive commission on over 1 million products. Up to 8% commission on popular categories. There's a 7-day cookie. So for example, if you make a video on the top 5 best electronics that Target offers, for example, okay, you could put affiliate links on your YouTube bio, and there is a 7-day commission, a 7-day cookie. So let's go say someone watches your video on Monday, they click on your affiliate link, and they don't buy anything. Later on Thursday, they actually buy something through Target. You are still going to be getting paid 8% commission on that product. They have a weekly newsletter with updates on promotions, contests, and sales opportunities. It's really simple. All you got to do is join today. Start earning commissions on sales you refer to Target.com. Target partners with Impact Radius for tracking, reporting, and payments. All you got to do is click this red button, fill out some simple forms. Boom, you are part of the Target affiliate program, okay? You don't need 1,000 subscribers on YouTube to make money. All you gotta do is start making videos and start promoting affiliate programs in your bio. YouTube is still the best way to grow and make a lot of money through affiliate programs because there's tons of different people that watch YouTube. It's still the #1 platform, video platform online. You can use a program like TubeBuddy. It's a free browser extension and mobile app that helps you become successful on YouTube. They have advanced keyword research. Let TubeBuddy help you find high performing, searchable videos, topics, and then craft the perfect titles and tags for you. It's going to cut your publishing in time so you can make more videos. Hit the ground running with TubeBuddy's suite of time-saving templates and tools to drastically speed up your publishing time. They're going to help you rank higher in search results. TubeBuddy will guide you through YouTube's best practices and ensure your videos are set up for success, okay? The higher you are in your search results, the more views you can get. If you finally make a video with like 50,000 views, for example, you don't need to convert that many people. You can still make a lot of money. Get more views and subscribers. It's going to help you with your thumbnails as well. Now, like I said earlier, you don't need a big YouTube channel to make a lot of money with affiliate marketing, okay? You can go to clickbank.com, for example, sign up. Clickbank is a hub for the world's best marketers and most innovative product owners to build businesses that matter. It's available in over 200 countries for over 20 years, okay? They've paid over $4 billion in commission. Become an affiliate, nearly 100,000 people are signed up as affiliates through Clickbank's Marketplace, and they promote tons of different products in tons of different categories. And they get paid on time every single time. All you gotta do is click the Start Promoting button right here, sign up with your email, your name, and your password, and you can get started today for free. Once you're in the actual marketplace, it's gonna take you here. Choose from thousands of great products to promote. You could choose tons of different products, tons of different categories. For example, if you are in the finance niche, forex niche, stock market niche, average conversion, if you promote the bots live trading room, you're going to be making $3,000 per conversion. If you want to focus on this affiliate program, for example, you could make a ton of video on the stock market. All you got to do in 1 month to make $3,000 is get one person to click on your link and actually buy that software. Just one person. Handsome Guy Secrets. You can make YouTube videos about love, and you can use TubeBuddy to help you rank really high up. And they're going to be paying you $1,347 per conversion. Hi Lopez's 67-step program. Average conversion rates $1,295. Online Marketing Classroom, $1,256. On your left-hand side, they have tons of different categories from employment, fiction, video games, green products, health and fitness, home and garden, languages, mobile games, parenting and families, politics, self-help, softwares, and services. If you want to get started with affiliate marketing today, it's really simple. You could click the link in my bio. It's going to take you to here, this page right here. It's going to be a free video for anyone who wants to start an online business but doesn't know where to begin. It's basically going to take you from a complete beginner to an affiliate marketing master. Okay? All you got to do is enter your first name, enter your email address, and click this red Get Instant Access button. Okay? You're going to get a free video tutorial on how you can get started with Clickbank affiliate marketing completely for free. That is it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Please stay tuned for the next one, and please consider subscribing below. Have a great rest of your day. Peace